Oscar's a little bully. Chase Nui away. Oscar's the one that likes Chico. And Oscar don't want anybody near Chico. And it's Nui there. By himself. And Tweety and Chico, Tweety and Cheddar Cream are just mucking around in the sun. Because we don't get sun much in winter. Make the most of it. Tweety's the naughty one. She's up to no good. Up near perch. Mad birds they are. Not as a bit shorter than the other sleepover I had. They ain't got really much. They got room to fly, but not that much. Good vacuum cleaners, they make mess. That's their birdseed they're eating up. Chico's the fat one there. With Oscar, she's always eating. But I'm not gonna stop eating this thing. And Oscar thinks he's the boss. Look out. See, Oscar chases Nelly away. Oh. You don't like anyone near the Chico, you don't have another go at it, no way. Oscar, I'm watching you. You stupid bird. Yeah, you're naughty, Oscar. If I had not my cat, Gypsy, he'd probably eat. Yeah, he'd grab or Pom-Pom would eat one of these. No, Nui. I won't let him hurt you. He's a domineering bird. Tweety's up to no good. Alright, they've gone back in the cage. See, they know that I don't teach them how to go back in the cage. They just go back in the cage. You're always trying to vandalise something, Tweety. Later on, I'm going to get a bigger cage later on. It can wait. I'm going to tell you, I gotta tell you. I'm actually going to get a Apple iMac, all-in-one computer. More of 2.5 gram. Maybe at the end of the year. Because I got 3 weeks off Christmas time. And I got a week off in August. So I'm going to get, right here. Oscar, leave Nui alone. Yeah, so I'm going to get them to something to look forward to. Yeah. I want a couch as well, nice furniture as well. So I want to get a whole lot of things next year, but I'm saving up for it, so I'm not gonna do HPs anymore. HPs are dangerous. Yeah. See? See? He hasn't go at Nui. Nui hasn't done anything wrong to Chico. Oh, ew. Poor Nui. He's Tweety Bird. See, Chico, look, Oscar follows Chico everywhere. And Chico's an eating machine. Look, he's going to have another go at Nui. Oscar, leave Nui alone. I know. No wonder Chico don't want to babysit Oscar. Now Oscar's on the Budgie's cage. Now he's down here. Now he's pushing. Ah! Now he's going to bully Nui again. Knows I'm watching them, so you won't do anything. Cheddar Green's eating. And Tweety's just flew into her cage again. I'm gonna bully. He says, you get away from. Good on you, Nui. He says, you get away from Chico. Roll on once summer. Just gotta watch so they don't fly into that window like they do sometimes and hurt their heads. But they're pretty. Cockatiels are pretty strong birds. They're tough, and budgies. Yeah. Now that's it for me. I'll catch you guys later, eh?